In this walkthrough, we will guide you through the process of setting up branches for your organization within TeamTrace. To get started, navigate to Settings. Under the Organization Setup section, select Branch. You will notice that a default branch is already present in the interface. This is automatically created during the initial setup of your organization's TeamTrace profile. Now, let's walk through how to create a new branch. Click on the option to Add a new branch and fill in the following details: branch name, country, address, email, contact number, time zone, and default currency. Please note that all these fields are mandatory and must be completed before the branch can be saved. Once all the required information has been entered, click Add. The newly created branch will immediately appear in the interface, ready for use across your organization.